Hello there, you're watching Proactive. Joining me today is Adrian Griffin from Lithium Australia. Adrian, I know you were in a trading halt last week. You're now back. Tell us more about the deal that's been announced.
Indeed, the deal was all about the supply of EV batteries to our recycling subsidiary Envirostream. We have signed a couple of deals, in fact, relating to the supply of those batteries into that company, and of course the recycling of those materials. From those batteries we can get well over 90%, between 95 and 98% in fact, of the mass recovered for recycling. And I think it bodes very well for the future because the EV industry is growing very rapidly in Australia.
Yeah, well, it looks like you've got off to a good start. As you just said there, it's a burgeoning EV industry, isn't it? Do you think this is just sort of the tip of the E-berg?
Indeed it is. I think we're seeing an expansion of around about 18% per annum. So it's very important that we get established now, and we are in fact the only company in Australia at the moment capable of recycling those batteries. We've done a number of test runs, in fact with 6 automotive producers, and shown that we can go full cycle, discharge those batteries, dismantle them, and then shred them and recycle the components. So it's very important to be first in the queue and take first mover advantage, and that's where we're positioned.
So you're recycling alkaline batteries though, right? So do you want to just give us the latest?
Yeah, okay. Well, the batteries that we're talking about in EVs, of course, are lithium-ion batteries. We also do recycle alkaline batteries. We've been looking at alternative markets from the conventional ones, because the conventional markets for the materials out of alkaline batteries are fairly low price markets. But what we have done is taken the components out of those batteries, utilised those in a micronutrient application, mixed them with fertilisers and blended them with those fertilisers. And we currently have field trials underway. I've got to say, as a consequence of rather strange weather conditions at the start of the season here in Western Australia, the trials got off to a pretty shaky start, but they're looking a lot better now, and we'll have more to announce over the next couple of weeks.
Yeah, and talking of announcements, you've had an announcement today. You've had a further product approvals from the Clean Energy Council, haven't you, for the sale of your energy storage products. Can you just tell us really what's the significance of this for your future sales?
Okay, let me wind back a little bit. We've had CEC approval in the past for a number of our products, and they're the small domestic battery storage batteries that you put in your garage, that sort of thing, for backup for solar. And I must say the product is a very good product, but the one that we've recently had approved is a 3-phase model, larger capacity for very large household applications or small industrial applications. The important thing about certification of these products is it allows the purchaser to avail themselves of many of the grants and subsidies that are available to them in the power market, provided mainly by the government. So it's important to have that certification, and we've just achieved that, as I say, with a fairly large unit with 3-phase power and complete blackout protection. One of the things you do find with many of the units on the market is they don't give you blackout protection. All they do is give you storage. Well, these units give you blackout protection as well. If the power goes out, you won't even notice it.
Busy times, Adrian. Thank you very much indeed. That's Adrian Griffin there from Lithium Australia.
Absolute pleasure. Thank you.